Hi, this is Mo of Mo West Creations. Today I'm going to show you ribbon t-shirt instructions. So all you need is ribbon, a t-shirt, and some scissors. So first thing you want to do is figure out how wide your ribbon is. Mine is 1 inch. So then you want to go around the neckline, measure 1 inch slits, alternating between 1/2 inch and 1 inch apart. So that's 1/2 inch, we'll do 1 inch, 1/2 inch, 1 inch. So what's going to end up happening here is you're going to cut along these lines. And then you're going to thread your ribbon through, under the smaller strips, over the larger ones. Give them a little stretch to kind of get them to curl and get rid of that cut look. And then just do that all the way around your whole collar. So do that all the way around your whole collar, that same 1 inch, 1/2 inch, and then meet back up at the middle. Tie a loose little bow. And there you have it, some really simple no-sew DIY ribbon t-shirt instructions. From Mo of Mo West Creations. Ciao!